Hello, everybody. We are talking about indirect statements in stage 37. Now, we learned about indirect statements before, but these indirect statements include a different tense. So before, it was, I know that this person is walking down the street. So the knowing and the walking are both present tense. Here, we're changing the tenses a little bit. So we have the inclusion of what's called the perfect active infinitive. So there's two things here. One is the indirect statement concept, and then the other one is the formation of the infinitive. So let's talk about the infinitive first, okay? The formation of the perfect active infinitive is taking the third principal part. So I'm looking at fugio, fugere, so fug, so fugio, fugere, fugi, and then I'm adding isse, this I-S-S-E. In fact, let's zoom in on that. Okay, here's another one. We have deleo, delera, delewi. So here's delave with the V there, and then we add isse. So these are the perfect infinitives, not present, but perfect. So this is why we're saying the master believes that the slave has fled, not that the slave is fleeing. Or we could say that he believes that the slave fled is fine, but has fled is technically correct there. If we look at the here, we have I hear that Romans not are destroying many towns, but have destroyed many towns. Okay, so we have the formation of that perfect active infinitive with the third principal part and isse, and then we have how that influences our translation, how it influences the meaning when we use it in an indirect statement. So we have some other examples here. So in number 2, but B, we have centurio dicit, hostes castra in ripa fluminis possuisse. So possuisse from pono, ponera, possui, positus. So the verb that means to put or to place. So here we're not saying that the enemies are placing. What are we saying? Centurio dicit, hostes castra in ripa fluminis possuisse. Did place, or really maybe have placed their camp. And really, honestly, this idiom is have pitched. To pitch camp is like to build, set up camp. All right, look at D. In hoc epistola, Agricola nuntiat. So Agricola announces, Romanos magnam victoriam rei tulisae. So again, the perfect active infinitive there. So we're not going to say is reporting or is relating. We're going to say the perfect version of that, so reported or related. Down here you have more examples to show you how that perfect active infinitive is formed. So porto, portare, portavi. So we're going to take portav and we're going to carry it over here, and then we're going to take that isse and add that to portav. Same thing with doku, isse, trax, isse, audi, wisse. All right, good luck, everybody.